Yo, bro. What?
Bro, a lot of things been going on.
I call for check up on you because the hurricane, bro.
A lot been going on since
Yeah.
the hurricane, bro. Bro, the whole place smash up on the car. Wash way, bro. Wash way.
Yes, Rick. Hold on, Rick. Hold on, there, Rick. Hold on. You think I a idiot? Eh? Me watch all the news and see everything with the hurricane. So me don't know where you try tell me say. Yes, it's just a few parishes. Me ears say get little damage. Yes, you well alright up in a Kingston, brother. So brother, oh yeah, tell me now, say your taxi wash way in a gully. Me no hear nothing like that going down there, man. You think I up here make money? Every day you have a new problem with the taxi. Now you tell me say the girl beryl pass. Eh? And you're a taxi runner, wash in a gully. No, brother. Do better than that, man. Do better than that. I wanna think foreign people for. Eh? Brother, a Jamaica me born and grow, you know. When me know say a beer things you know keep up down there, you know. Remember me did down there, you know, brother. You understand? I mean know say a beer things you know keep up, you know. Yeah, man, and try style people and scam people and go around people. Brother, if you want a thing, just tell me say you want a thing, man. Yeah, man. No come with them thing, the brother, man. Brother, I saw you deal with me. No, man, no, man, you can't deal with the eye them way, the man. Yeah, man. Hold on there. Yes, back to you now, brother. Brother, I want like a one ackee tree drop down in the back of the yard, brother. Yeah, that me get for understand. So me no know how you come and tell me now say car wash when a gully and all these things and so forth, brother. But me gonna have to try to overdo things, brother. No, man. I only St. Elizabeth, me ears say get the worst damage. Yeah, the bread basket parish. Yeah, man. I met me brethren down, Mikey down there. Yeah, him tell me. I'm send him a little 200, you know, to see if him can catch up with something, you know. Because I'm sure me say boy all the old stop gone and thing. Yeah. And him have to pay for charging phone and things. A beer things are happen down there. You know? Portland and St. Thomas. But brother, Kingston not get nothing much. Kingston not get nothing much. So me no know where you try tell me well alright still. Me know say you try go round the thing still. But yeah man, me will send a little thing for you man. But you have to go check the insurance. And if a third party you have on it, just know say dog eat your supper, brother. Yes. Because it's a well good vehicle. You should have yes, you should have put comprehensive on it, brother. In time like this now you'd have know say you get back a vehicle. Or if you have a good vehicle and put third party on it, brother. I tell you, brother, oh no, using no brain, man. You see, you try go cheap and now it work out dear. No matter the type of vehicle, brother, you should have still put comprehensive on it. Yeah, man. And in time like this, you'd have get back a next vehicle. If as what you say. It's wash way in a gully. Because me know say a lie you a tell. Rick, Rick, remember say, me and you grow down there, you know. And that's when we used to down there run the street, you know, we know normal. So me know, say you not change. Yeah man, true, I man up in the Connecticut, yeah, I man have easy down still, you know. Yes, me have to act like the Yankee them. Yeah. No, me not twang pan you man, me not twang. No man, me not twang man. Yeah man. Yes. Alright then, alright. So tomorrow me send a thing for you, okay? I just will buy little things because I already me send barrel and thing. You know, I just will catch up like one little bread and you know, a few little things. And I'm not much because me I be hope I deal with too. Yes, and me are back to school. Yes, where they pick me them and thing. Yes. So me no want you go on like say me no have nothing to do, you know. We don't always have feel to say people up are foreign like we ought to do a plant money pan tree. No, no one will say go up here, we have to work very hard. So alright, tomorrow then, okay? Cause yeah, me I run figure go to work here now one thing. So just go and big up yourself. Okay, bro? Alright. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, thank you.